All right, let's check out our top stories here at 10:30. It is a big day for former President Trump's legal battles. He's back in court for his criminal trial in Lower Manhattan this morning. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court is debating Mr. Trump's potential immunity from federal charges as president. A lot to wade through and break down. Eyewitness News reporter Phil Taitt live outside criminal court in Lower Manhattan with more. Phil.
Yeah, well, testimony is underway right now as David Pecker is back on the stand for cross-examination. We could learn even more details of the role that he played to catch and kill stories for the former president ahead of the 2016 election. Now, moments ago, ahead of these proceedings, we caught a glimpse of the former president as he made his way from Trump Tower to this Lower Manhattan courtroom. That's where he is here now to hear testimony as the former National Enquirer publisher told prosecutors how his tabloid handled Karen McDougal, the Playboy model who went to the magazine claiming she had an affair with Trump. Pecker testified former Trump fixer Michael Cohen instructed him to buy McDougal's silence for $150 grand. When Pecker asked about reimbursement, Cohen said, "Don't worry, I'm your friend. The boss will take care of it." The boss, Pecker says, would have been Donald Trump. Pecker's testimony builds on the prosecution's theory that their partnership was a way to illegally influence the 2016 presidential election. Meantime, prosecutors want Trump to be fined as they say he allegedly violated the judge's limited gag order through a series of social media posts and in various comments he's made in the past few days, including a Midtown rally yesterday morning where there he made comments about David Pecker, who's a witness in the trial and on the stand right now. Well, in our nation's capital, a high-stakes SCOTUS argument happening over whether Trump may claim immunity in his separate federal election subversion case. The justices seem skeptical that the former president has absolute immunity, but may not greenlight a quick trial in that case. The former president weighing in moments before heading inside of the courtroom.
I heard the argument was brilliant. I listened to it last night. I thought it was really great. I thought the judge's questions were great. And all presidents have to have immunity. It has nothing to do with me. Absolutely nothing. All presidents have to have immunity. If you don't have a president, certainly not a president that the founders wanted.
Now, while Trump's legal jeopardy continues, the court is expected to meet on May 9th, where justices would typically give a decision, but it is still relatively early for that to come down. We're in Lower Manhattan. I'm Phil Taitt, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.